Right, I am finally getting round to doing something that I've been meaning to do for ages, and that is to make this ideal for the kids to use. Let's take that out. And what I want to do is put a control on here, make this easier to use for the kids so they don't burn themselves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend it. And to get that off, I think I've got a screw in there, see that, and then the Phillips there, and then I think that lot comes off, so I can get to that. We'll see what happens. Right, what I've got here is 2 pieces of welding rod, and I've got them. I'm going to solder this end together here, and the reason I've done that is because I want the solder to run down and form a blob on the end, because that's going to be the top, and then this end, or somewhere down here, I'll cut it to length and solder it on the engine. Right, just so that you know, undoing those screws, that one and the other ones under there, was a fail because I couldn't get that off. So I've gone to plan B, which involves a piece of copper tube, which I'm going to slip over there and crimp it so that it fits. And then this is the bit I've soldered together, and I'm going to, hang on, try and do this with my phone in my hand, do that, hang on, that's better. So that's what I'm going to do, only tidy it up a bit, and then I'm going to adjust it so that the angle's right, which I can't explain, which I'll show you in a bit. I guess we all have some weird ways of doing things. A long while ago I bought this coffee maker from Aldi, yeah, it was Aldi, and it's rubbish. Turned out to be useless. I used it in the office, or people had them in the office, but anyway, I chucked it in here and I found a use for it, because when I fire up the little engine I need some hot water. So what I've got, I bought this as well, look, an old shaving mug, which I don't use for shaving either. That was rubbish. So use one rubbish thing for another rubbish thing, and between them, is that going to go in there? Yeah, there you go. It will go in there if I do it right. And that will make me hot water for my engine if I go boop. There you go. So there's a solution. Some of the daft things we do. There we are then. Water everywhere as usual, but burn my fingers. But that's about normal then, pointing to that. So that's where I want it. Where I want the thing going straight up so that it doesn't look silly when it's going along. That's going to be a nice speed, I think. Like that. Right, let's see if this works. Okay, it don't. We ain't got enough steam yet. Right, here we go then. There you go, more or less straight up. Going like a good one. What more do you want? We just need some decent weather, some summer and some grandchildren. My turn first, Grandad. No, he did it first last time. It's my turn. No, it's my turn. No, it's my engine. You can all get back under the stairs because I'm playing. Whee! So there you go.